Hola, ¿qué tal? Once again, we're here. We are about to start a new job, and this is what we're doing. We are mopping or taking the dust out of the floor before trying an installation. That way, we hydrate the floor, so when we install the tile, the tensor won't be dried up too fast because of the slab sucking the humidity or the water from the tensor. So that way, we're hydrating a little bit more the substrate and also taking the dust out. We already did our lines. Let's see if you guys can see it. We already did our square. We are going to line up center with the entrance door, and we're going to go lined up with the hallway. These are going to be our main lines. That's our preferred way to do layout on our jobs installation. Center hallway, center door. I think that's the most effective way, the way to do it. Even though there might be different ideas. This was for you guys from the Miami floors. We do it right.